Hey, what's up, guys? This is boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video. I'm coming with a brand new software called 30 Days Submit. This is a software which it takes more than 30 millionaires entrepreneur review their day-to-day secrets, what they did to make it over millions US dollars online. So this is software which these millionaires, including the guy called Russel Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels software. I hope you guys know about what a ClickFunnels is. So these are guys which they will take you straight and show you exactly what they did from scratch, guys. You know, this the guy it's called Russel Brunson. This is the guy of ClickFunnels software creator. Is the guy who created ClickFunnels software. So is he reviewing his secret on what he did to become a financial freedom free, guys. So I hope this software is going to help you because these guys they're going to review every secret on what they did exactly step by step, so that you can get an idea on what these people are doing online to start making money. You know, there's a lot of them. There are more than 30 entrepreneurs, millionaires, which are making consistently millions of dollars online. So these guys, they will take you straight step by step, and I hope you understand, guys. So once you are in this software, what you have to do is to click in this link here. Once you click in this link, it's going to take you. First, let me explain something. Once you click in this link here, it's for free, guys. For free, 100% for free. You don't need to pay anything. You just get access for free. Then once you click in that link that I have shown you, guys, these are some other members, marketeers, entrepreneurs. So yeah, so they will review all the secrets, guys, on what they did to make millions of dollars online. So once you click in this link here, as you can see, it's free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. They say gain free access to the 13 days interview. Once you click that link, is going to take you straight here. This is how it looks like. So once you are in here, what you have to do is to access this, you know, and this it only costs $100 one payment. You don't need to pay any every month. You just pay $100 once. Then after that, they have also some bonus. They have more than 2 bonuses here. The bonus number 1 is the 30 days 550-page digital ebooks. This is the book that it will also show you exactly what they do, these people, to make more money online, you know. So yeah, that's it. And so plus you have guaranteed roof over your head, you know, a phone line, an internet connection, and a ClickFunnels account for only 1 month. So once you this is also, you are going to have an access to use the ClickFunnels for 1 month for free, guys. So this is amazing. You know, this is the bonus number 1 as well. And the bonus number 2, this is a bonus called a 1-pager digital workbook, you know. So what is this for? Say inside each you'll find training that correspond with each day of the challenges. Also, if you want to access, just join here, then then you put your details. It's only $100. Then you'll be able to access all those bonuses that they are offering for free. I hope they have 2 bonuses. So once you decide to take the 13 days submit, I also put the link in the description below. If you're interested on it, just click the link in the description below, then it should take you straight to this page, this page that looks like this. So that's it, guys. These are top entrepreneurs which are making millions online. So they will share their secret on what they did, what they're doing right now to make even more money online. This software is only $100. It's a lifetime. You don't need to pay monthly. Then you can go and start studying those secrets that these people are reviewing on this software. So just go. I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can go yourself and check what is happening and what they do. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask it down in the description below. I'll be able to answer all the questions that you guys will ask because that's in my job. So thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like if you like this video. Make sure you also share with your friend who is making money online. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to check more information on what this software is. So thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.